You are now in the second trimester, which many people find more comfortable and enjoyable. Their body is starting to adjust, and some early symptoms like nausea and extreme tiredness may begin to ease. You might notice you have a bit more energy and a growing appetite. Just keep in mind about that. Your baby is developing quickly during this time. Around 14 weeks, the baby is about the size of a lemon, measuring about 3 to 4 inches long. Even though you can't feel it yet, your baby is moving, stretching, and even making tiny facial expression like frowning. The baby's arms and legs are becoming more defined, and they can bend their elbows and wrists. Fine hair started to grow on the baby's body, just to let you know, to help keep them warm. The baby's neck is becoming longer, and the head is more upright instead of tucked down. Inside organs like the liver and kidneys are working, and the baby is starting to produce urine. For you, your belly may start to show more, and your clothes might feel tighter. Some women notice changes like glowing skin or thicker hair, while others may experience mild discomfort like round alignment pain, feels like a quick stretch or pull in the lower belly. Overall, this is an exciting stage where your baby is growing stronger every day, and you may begin to feel more like yourself again. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys on the next episode, and I hope this episode is really useful for you guys. Have a good one.